Oh my God, it's been years, y'all. What's poppin', kings and queens? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I can't believe it's been 1 year since I've uploaded on YouTube. Like, this is insane to me. But y'all, I am in my new house. Like, what's up? I miss you guys so much. I've came a long way. A lot has changed, but I'm so glad to be letting y'all know that I'm back with more videos. Like, what? Like, I know my kings and queens miss me. I already know that. That's no shade. But today I'm back with a new makeup tutorial teaching you guys how to get this beautiful all pink soft glam look. If you want to learn how to get this look, definitely go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up before we even go and get into the material here, because man, I ate this look up. But with that being said, guys, if you guys are new to my channel on Faith, subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. We're gonna go ahead and get into some things, give you guys my life update, kind of just check in with how I am right now, my single, my taken, what is up with me, like what have I been up to. Your girl is back. 2025 summer's coming, we're outside. But with that being said, y'all, definitely stay tuned. Like I said, give this video a huge thumbs up and we're gonna get into some things. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. I will leave all the product for this makeup look in the description box below. Mwah. Let's get into it.
She's in her happy girl era. She's no longer faking a smile, no longer acting like she's okay when she's not, because she's genuinely happy. This is her turn.
So since this is a new opening, a new chapter for me, I want to start this new trend on my channel where I open each YouTube video with a Bible verse. Today's Bible verse that I'm picking is Psalms 46 verse 5. God is within her, she will not fall. That is the Bible verse for today, guys. And I think it's a good one to open up me returning. I think it's a great way for me to dive into this new era for me. And I'm just so excited to be sharing it all with you guys. Like I said, every video I will be giving a new Bible verse to begin our day and to begin the tutorials. And I hope you guys love that, because I'm all about healing, self-care, just a good journey to keep us moving forward. And just to give you guys a heads up, you will notice that I did not do a eyebrows tutorial part of this video. I started off with that already being done due to the fact that I do want to do a eyebrow tutorial video separately. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial, starting with our eyeshadow. Well, I'm so happy to be back, guys. I want to basically start off this video by kind of giving you guys an insight on why I took such a long pause on YouTube. I think there was really 3 reasons for me. My first one was mental health. My second one was it being very time consuming. And my third one definitely had to do with, like my living situation. So with mental health, I think YouTube was a great outlet. However, prior to me, starting this channel, I was in a 5-year relationship. And after that relationship, I kind of had to learn how to rebuild myself back up. And ladies, this is so important, because literally you matter most in your life. It don't matter what kind of relationship you get into. Try to prioritize yourself always. I kind of just needed to not so much heal, because I was over the person, but so much reevaluate who I truly was and what exactly was it that I wanted out of life. I think by now I've definitely found that space for myself. I'm very confident in myself. I make the best decisions that I think I can make for myself. But now I really know like who I'm becoming, who I am, and I'm happy with it, which is most important. I'm so happy with it. But with that being said, I really just had to have the right space for the channel. If you guys didn't know, I was kind of renting out like a mini bedroom studio kind of vibe prior to it. So I didn't really have the space to expand more on my channel. I didn't have the proper lighting, the equipment, and it was just a tighter space, so that wouldn't have worked well. And because that didn't work well, it was really hard for me to say I'm filming in a quiet setting where I'm not being interrupted or anything like that. But now I'm totally in a bigger space. I'm happy where I am, and I can definitely create and have the space to do my own work. I also really am so sorry to have paused that way. I know like a lot of my fans that do have me on Instagram, they were asking me like, girl, when are you doing YouTube again? All this good stuff. But you know, we're gonna get back into the creativity bag because there's so much to open up and reveal here. And I'm just excited to be doing things as simple as like this makeup look for you guys. It's exciting. I love it. But yeah, when it comes to why I stopped doing YouTube, those were like really some of the important reasons. I think I'm also in just a good space as of right now. I've healed. I've done basically everything that I thought was holding me back to be so genuine and honest in my channel, because that's something I do take pride in. Keeping it a buck. Like, come on, I'm a Capricorn. We don't play that fake shit. We'll always keep it real with y'all, and for me to keep it real, I have to feel comfortable enough, and now I do. So we're back, baby. And to my kings and queen, please remember that these products will be in the description box below if you guys are interested in getting them. Some of my favorite daily products are being used here. Like right now I'm using the CoverGirl quick finish powder, and I've had it for years. It's my favorite. The next topic I wanted us to kind of get into a little bit is, you know, the relationship status. Because, I mean, your girl's getting old. Like, I'm 29. Like, what's good? But with that being said, y'all, being in a long-term relationship at a young age will drain you from looking for love later on if you leave that person. Like, for years, I felt like I've already done the wife thing, and I haven't even started. And it's because at such a young age, I was really giving my all to someone, and they were doing the same with me. You know what I mean? But it's just like now that I'm like free at a kind of like a mid-older age, like 29, I don't feel the need to rush to date because I've done it all. Like, I've lived in the house, I've cooked, I've cleaned. I don't know, like, am I crazy? And I know it's not just me, it happens too, which is fine. But your girl's definitely single right now. I am talking to someone who potentially could be a perfect match for me. Very respectable guy, good job, treats me right. I'm happy. But we haven't really given ourselves that title yet, so let's wait on that. But y'all, dating out here is so ghetto. Like, I'm done kissing frogs. I'm done. Like, the men are menning for me. And then like the other day I seen a post where, like, I'm gonna insert it right here.
Why I seen a man, you know what? Why I seen somebody's grown up adult boy child, because I don't want to call y'all men no more, make a post saying, oh, I'm either gonna pay the bills or be faithful. I can't do both. I beg your pardon. I beg your finest pardon. I beg it. I beg it. I beg it. I beg it. What? God, please. Lord, please, if you listen, God, please. There's no way that these are the only niggas left. Are you kidding me? There has to be more in the back. There has to be more in the back. Can you please check the back for me, please? Because no way this is all that's left. There's no way. Like, when are y'all becoming? Because I know Charles Darwin didn't predict this. I know this is not the next step in evolution. What's happening? Is this natural selection?
Why
Oh
is
God,
stuff like this even happening? Like, hello? Send fucking help. But I'm not rushing dating. I do know that, like, I'm like 4 years away from, like, the whole 34, 35 kids gap thing, whatever. Like, you gotta have your kids by this time or they're gonna have problems. I understand that, but I'm not gonna rush, because it's what's most important is who you have your kids with, not when you have your kids. Okay, so we're just gonna call it like that. But yo, the dating pool is ghetto. And mind you, I'm in Connecticut. Like, I feel like our population is mainly white people, but like, that's not my type. So I'm still taking my time. I'm in no rush. I'm happy with what I'm working with right now. But please stay out of relationships when you're young. It mentally fucked me up, because now I'm just drained. You know what I mean? And I'm just taking life one step at a time. I refuse to rush anything. And while going through all that, I'm just trying to keep in mind to, just stay happy, do everything that I want to do, enjoy my life. It's my life. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Okay, so for the last segment of this video, and just bring you guys up to date with my life and how things have been, I definitely want to talk about what will be expected in the future for my channel. I need you guys to know that I moved into my big girl place, where I'm now able to decorate everything the way I want to do it, and just really just give myself the luxury that I've been wanting. And because I've moved, you guys should be expecting more home decor videos, unboxing, before after type of vibe, when it comes to going shopping for home decor items, Home Goods, Goodwill, Shein, even Amazon, housing, all that good stuff. Especially like when I get my couches, I will be decorating my living room. So those are just things that I want you guys to be expecting. I'm also planning on traveling to Jamaica in about 3-4 months. So I want to be vlogging that as well. I'm going to definitely be bringing more concert content, more shopping, haul content, and more makeup. You guys already know I love art. So with me expressing, my art trait skills and things like that is through the way I do my makeup. I'm definitely going to be updating you guys on new makeup trends, how you can get the look for affordable pricing, especially like with today's look, very affordable, very easy to do. Like, people think I spend a lot of money. I go to artists. I don't. I do it myself in my home. I go to CVS sometimes for certain products. I go to Ulta, obviously, some Fenty Beauty every now and then, but you don't need to be spending a lot of money to get quality looking makeup. You know what I mean? So those are just some things I want you guys to expect. I also want you guys to expect a lot of mental health videos too, when it comes to taking care of yourself, and just making sure that you are doing well from head to toe. I love the idea of improving one's life. Okay, that's something that I live for. I'm all about that. So definitely more of that you can expect. You guys can also expect me having some guests in my videos. I plan on wanting to do some content with my siblings, maybe the person that I'm talking to. I want to do some content, with my mom, my little brother, some friends I have. Just some good conversations. I've also had the idea of, doing podcasts too. But that's for a whole different category. So we will get to that when that comes. Okay. But with that being said, that's basically just a little life update of mine. I'm just happy to be alive. I'm happy to have all of you guys be a part of my journey. I know you've been here since 2017. It's only up from here, and quality and just beauty in life, okay? And with that being said, let's go ahead and just wrap up, you know, our little talk. That way we can focus more on the makeup and finishing up. I'm adding my lashes now, as you can see. Yes, I love me some big lashes because I can't do the going to the what are they called, the lash tech. I can't do those because I fear losing my natural lashes, so I refuse to go to them. But this is the way to go if you're not into that. With that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for Faith in 2025. If you want to know more, definitely stay tuned for me. Okay, and let's go ahead and finish up this makeup look. That is how you get this beautiful, soft, new, easy to go, my go-to pink makeup look. If you like this makeup look, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment below some of your favorite topics that I talked about today. I know I went into detail about what I've been up to, but y'all, now I'm back on YouTube and I'm just ready to give you guys more content, give you guys more travel vlogs, give you guys more concert vlogs, give you guys more products, more outfits, and we're just gonna go ahead and be consistent this year. I'm excited to be back on YouTube, and I hope you guys are really enjoying my content. This makeup look is super gorgeous. I love that the pink is in soft. I just love the glam out right now. But if you guys have any questions, please go ahead and comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all that good stuff. And your girl is back. I'm so excited and I cannot wait to give you guys more content. Thanks for watching today's video. Like this video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye.